People in the state of Oklahoma have reported seeing strange anomalies outside their house, usually in a densely packed area. Some have reported broken glass, unlocked doors, etc. People have also reported seeing them in their home. Photos of these anomalies will be shown. If you have seen or been spotted by one of these entities, the best you can do is run, defend yourself, or give up. The true motives or speed of these entities have not been figured out yet, but we will keep you updated. For now, stay indoors and remain calm until we figure out what they are.